Yo, what's going on, guys? NASCARs and Hobbies here. Coming with a box opening. Ghost from the past. 2 little displays. Your chance to pull Ghost Rare is 1 in a case, so there's 10 of these in a case. So it's 2 out of 10, so it's a 20% chance to pull Ghost Rare. It's more than likely not. But we're giving her a go. We were probably going to sell these, but I was just decided to open them instead. Got a pretty decent deal on them. I guess I gotta have something to fuck it. Fuck it. I guess we gotta get a few sleeves here in case we get any hits. So I don't think there's too much here. I don't even know how to do that. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not even gonna bother. So we got 5 there. Oh my god, I'm getting my cords tangled. Throw that bitch. There's even more packaging, man. Only 3 packs per one of these. The only place in town that has Yu-Gi-Oh! They want $30 for one of these things. And MSRP is $15 US. I'm Canadian. So, like, you know, 20 Canadian would make sense, but 30's a little pushing it. Granted, I did not pay $30 on these. God, no. God, no. I got these for 110 a display. How the Konami, man. What are you guys doing? Oh, they open at the top. Man, oh man. 2, 3. Let's see if that's my buddy. Sorry, boys. Pause that, pause that. We'll just throw that there. Alright, first pack here. We'll do it this way. Sunvine Maiden, Tackle Crusader. Oh, Buster Dragon, that's a nice reprint. I mean, sorry, boys, I know it's hard to make out. Like, the lighting in here is awful. I gotta do something about it. Baby Rock reprint. Dragunity Legatus. I think that's new. Alright. Awful. Awful. Pack number 2. Oh, yeah, the Miracle Synchro Fusion. Okay. Dolce Chateau. Summer Great Falcon. I could use this. I'm a solid player. We like that. Metal Force Fusion. Oh, the new Time Thief card. Fucking A. Double barrel. Double barrel. Again, I don't think these are too many hits, but oh well. Drago Quest, awful. Perpetual, awful. I don't even know. Galactic Seal. Starry Night, okay. Alright, and Cypher Blade, I think. Cypher. No, Trike Seal. Okay. Nothing for that. I was a bust that display. That was awful. Alright, number 2. Not display, whatever these 3-pack bullshit things are. God damn, I can't believe I got suckered into this, you know? Chase of a Ghost, man. Alright, open from the front. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna damage, like, I've heard like every Dark Magician that's come, like Ghost Rare, there's like these little, I wish I could, maybe I'll put a picture down below, but there's like these little bubbles on the back. So the card essentially comes damaged. I haven't seen a new mint Dark Magician yet. The other ghosts don't seem to have that problem, but Dark Magician especially, I don't know why. Something with the printing error issue. Okay, so Time Thief, Regulator, Photon Thrasher, Metal Foes, whatever, and Dragunity Glow. I think that's the, yeah, it's a Searcher. That's solid. That's a nice hit. I don't know if it's worth anything, but solid card to have. We sell singles, guys. We sell Yu-Gi-Oh singles. Granted, a small amount, but we're starting out. We eventually want to be a full-grown store. Okay, Sunvalon stuff. Dragunity Draft. Heretic Seal. Oh yeah, and Meteor Black Comet, okay. I mean, a reprint, whatever, it was just like a $30 collector card. Yo, I look fat as fuck in this shit, eh? I'm not. Anyway. Time 3 for Retrograde Galaxy, yeah, just Splash Mage, yo, upgrade, let's go. Is that the link 4? Oh, link 3, Sunvalon. Pretty much build Sunvalons almost out of the half of this fucking... Alright, on to the third. That was another bust, boys. The Dragoonity card is like the best card we pulled so far. And like a couple reprints, but like not even good reprints. Where's the Evenly? You know? We're based in Alberta, Canada as well, if you guys would like to know. These packs, man, there's something else. There's so much packaging, bro. Like, we need to do something about the amount of plastic we use. Like, Christ almighty. Okay, so yeah, you guys get to see this first. Recover. Whatever, Molten Conduction, Fairy Tale, whatever. Sunvalon Healer. Oh, the new Shadal card. Cool. National Genius. The Negate. Haha. The monster is unaffected by monster effects. It's turn except its own. Okay, if this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target one effect monster on the field. Neither player can activate that target's effects on the field this turn. That's crazy. So it turns Shadal Fusion into a fucking negate now, man. That's nuts. Even a play as a one-of. That's crazy. Granted, it doesn't create advantage, but... Time Thief Flyback. Laval Volcano, whatever. Fairy Tale, whatever. Starry Night Blast. Tribulanius, another reprint. I have the original of this card. I probably should have sold long ago. The final pack of the third little display box. I don't even know what to call these. I guess one of these is a display, and they have 5 of these little boxes. It's like a booster box. It's like a special edition. Heretic Seal, Time Thief Redoer, Dangerous Thunderbird, solid reprints, Mental Foes Counter, and another Dragoonity Glove. Solid. So we got 2 of those so far. That's, I guess, something. Alright, display number 4. So far we've been busting, boys. I don't think we haven't hit a $15 card yet. Like a Heretic Seal, nothing, man. And the thing is like there's so many cards in this set, and you're only getting 15 cards per one of these little things. I mean, even so, like the chances are you're not. Whoa, fuck! You're just not getting what you want, or getting a hit. I think this set is ass, to be honest, and like I wasn't gonna do it. You know what? We've been doing well in the business. I decided to treat myself. I was gonna sell these online, but I was like, fuck it, still Sunfleet stuff or Sunvalon, whatever. Oh, the Starry Night card, Starlight Dragon. All right, Time Thief startup. Nothing really yet. Again, hold on. We'll keep playing the game. It's crazy that they didn't have an errata firewall in this either, right? Just as an ultra rare. You'd think with the amount of cards they printed. Oh, Pudding Cess, okay. Or Petting Cessor. Cosmojo. Dark Arm level 10. Alright. And the last pack of the 4th little package thing. Metal Foes. Another one. Time Thief Wander. Phalanx. Hey, evenly! There we go. Those are our first hit, boys. That's good. That's solid. That paid for the box. That's about it, though. It's 1 box paid for out of 5. Out of this will be the 5th. Nice. Sorry, we just sold something on eBay. See, like we're making money as we're doing this, boys. What could I say? What could I say? All right, man. The last display, the last 3 packs. We got Mass Change, solid reprint, ultra rare, that's awesome. That's a good penny stonk. Royal Prison, backup secretary, sure. Metal Foes Gorn. Another Starry Night. I don't know if these cards are hits or not, but they're a pretty cool archetype. Okay. Second pack of the last booster box thing. Time Thief. We got a few of those. Like, we should not be getting duplicates, in my opinion. There's so many cards in this set. Oh, the new Dragoonity Monster. Fair. I don't know if that's new or not. That might be a reprint. But yeah, we should not be getting duplicates, in my opinion. You know, like in a thing of this, there's only 45 cards, and there's like 168 cards per set or something. Red Seal, Redoer, nice. Thunderbird, second one, like, we're getting multiples. Metal Foes, Starry Night Trap card, and the Red Seal. Alright, well, 45 cards. That's all we got. Nothing crazy. In my opinion, I could have made more money selling this online than what I just did roughly from that. So it seems like one of these, I mean, this is just one. I could be wrong, but you get like one hit. So I'll probably get, like, from this either a ghost, hopefully, which probably won't happen. But I'll get a Remus probably at best. And a Remus, if you don't know what I'm talking about, is the new Dragoonity Monster. It's going to be played in Dragon Link. It's just a crazy extender. It's a searcher. It's just like, it's a +2. It just creates so many problems in Dragon Link. So yeah, it's just, it'll be worth a $20 price tag. It'll probably be up at. All right, 5 more to go, gents. 5 more to go. We got so much trash here to, like, deal with. Holy. Oh. With all that packaging for 3 little packs. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, gents. Nothing even sleeve-worthy. It's kind of bad. I don't know, Raid Raptor. Another whatever. Petting Cess. Cosmojo again. It's like I've had the same pack before, Necros. Granted, it is a new display, but, like, holy cow, guys. Well, oh well. Metal Foes, Petting Cess, Winder, Phalanx, Laval Archer. All these cards we have multiples of now already. Like, that's craziness. It's crazy. If you were in a case, literally there's enough cards, like, yeah, geez, more reprints. Hey. Is that it? Wow. I just went through it that quick. Fair enough. On to the next. See, like, you just don't even realize. Yeah, it's craziness. Yeah, in a whole case, though, there's supposed to be 10 of these. So, 15 cards per one of these times 10, that's 150 cards. There's, like, as many cards in a set. So, like, in a case, you think you would get a copy of every single card. So that would be almost impossible for there to be duplicates. But lo and behold, I almost have playsets of some cards. And they're ass cards. Konami. My fault. Wow, freshest start. Gear Town. Wonderful's Vanquisher. Heretic Sue. Oh shit, my buddy Spencer's calling me. Yo, buddy, I'm live recording right now. What's good?
Yo.
What's good?
On YouTube? What?
I'm just gonna. Alright, we're back, guys. Yo, my bad earlier. We opened the rest off camera, but I just want to quickly go over the rest of my pulls. Nothing crazy. What was notable here that I think that we got? No Ghost Rare, unfortunately. Pulled like a Fog Blade. Heretic Seal, which is another hit. Some Starry Angel stuff. Another Buster Dragon, which is solid. But yeah, overall, pretty bad. The set is pretty bad in my opinion. Don't invest into it. Ghost Rare chasing is bad. If you got the money, just buy the Ghost Rare. Yeah, this has been NASCARs and Hobbies. Signing out. Hope you enjoyed.